With PLA 3.0.5 we introduce a new add-on, the Dose Response Analysis package. It provides various additional biostatistical methods for immunoassays, ELISA, and more. It supports you in investigating equivalence for calibration curves. And it provides enhanced response data processing and options for subgroup analysis. New document reports and dashboards add to its value and usability. The biostatistical methods include interpolation on calibration curves. Our example on the right side shows results for 3 test samples. Response values are interpolated on a calibration curve. The interpolation results are displayed in a data plot and as a table. The image is an excerpt of a document report for a dose response analysis document. Spike and recovery analysis. Our example shows test samples with a medium spike concentration. The interpolation results are again displayed in a data plot and as a table. Linearity of dilution assessment. Our example shows results for several test samples with a medium level concentration, similar to the previous images. Effective concentration calculation. Our example shows effective concentration calculations for various response values. You can freely define EC percentiles such as EC50. Curve comparisons. In this example our data plot shows regression plots for 3 multi-dose samples. Details on the regression are displayed below. The package features several equivalence test and development options for calibration curves. You can employ equivalence tests for parameter estimates, point estimate tests for parameter estimates, and ANOVA terms. Regarding equivalence margin development, you can use your historic assay runs to develop acceptance criteria. The package provides test strategy development, visualizations, and simulations. The new package also features enhanced response data processing. You can adjust and normalize data either by a fixed value or by another assay element. Use these features, for example, to subtract the absorbance of blank wells or to divide response values by the mean absorbance of maximum binding wells. You can also employ transformations logarithmic, square, and square root. Apply adjustments, normalizations, and transformations to all samples, a specific sample, or to all test or control samples. You can apply adjustments and normalizations to specific plates as well. Moreover, you can average your replicates. To give you full control over data processing, you can employ several adjustment and normalization steps, and you can adjust the sequence of response data processing steps to your needs. With the new package, you can define analysis subgroups suitable to your experiment. Subgroups are available for both single and multi-dose samples. Use this feature, for example, to group samples in spike and recovery analysis or assay optimization. Statistics for interpolated results and dose-response curve characterization include averages, standard deviations, coefficient of variations, and recovery rates. Visualize results in overlay plots. New reports and document dashboards further add to the package's value and usability. The dashboards display key attributes of document definitions and calculation results, and visualize results in improved data plots. The revised design of both reports and dashboards provides greater lucidity with a fresh and modern look, clear, uniformly applied layout, and a uniform color scheme in line with editors. The new dose response analysis package is part of the new PLA version, PLA 3.0.5. The PLA platform itself now has a new add-on management which keeps you always up to date and provides an easy way to access software extensions. And customers who already work with PLA will notice numerous improvements that enhance usability and performance. Please visit bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0.5 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.